Hey Ongagers, welcome to another tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to start with Ongage email validation. Let's go. The service is available directly from the UI of the Ongage platform, but you'll need to get first validation credits. You can get them via Ongage support or by reaching out directly to our sales rep. Now that you have credits, you can validate your entire list or a given segment. Select the statuses you want to check. Name your validation. Now click and confirm. Congratulations. You can now follow up on the progress on your dashboard. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Follow up with our next video. We will teach you how to analyze your validation results. Till next time.